Hi students, welcome to Bosco Campus Vision. Today's session deals with the topic satyr play. Satyrs are mythical subhuman creatures of the Greek countryside, drunken and lustful and often portrayed in the retinue of Dionysius or in pursuit of nymphs. The word satyr, meaning human follies or mistakes, comes from the word satyr. On the 5th century vases, satyrs are depicted as men with bald heads, pointed ears, snub noses, and horses' tails. Because of their love of wine, they are often represented holding wine cups and appear often in decorations on wine cups. Satyr play. Most of the Greek plays which survive were performed in Athens in honor of the god Dionysius. Athenians started with comedies and tragedies. They were viewed as completely separate genres. Satyr play was another major theatrical form which preserved the structure and characters of tragedy while adapting a happy atmosphere. Satyr play was introduced at Athens by Aeschylus' contemporary Pratinus. The 5th century satyr play was always composed by a tragedian. The three tragedians competing at the dramatic festival Great Dionysia were required to compose 4 plays, 3 tragedies and a satyr play. These 4 plays together form a tetralogy. Satyr plays formed a humorous tailpiece to a set of 3 tragedies, in the sense that these plays were represented directly after the tragic trilogy as the 4th play in Athenian festivals honoring god Dionysius. These plays consisted of a burlesque treatment of a mythical theme, that is, themes taken from well-known myths and mythological heroes being teased or satirized by the chorus of satyrs. Or the plot of a well-known myth and the characters in it were subjected to satire and the dignity of the various heroes in it being reduced by the earthly preoccupation of the chorus of satyrs. This regular mythological setting distinguished satyr plays sharply from comedy and brought it closer to tragedy, which invariably dealt with myth. Satyr plays always had a happy ending. The defining quality of a satyr play was a chorus of 12 satyrs led by their father Silenus. In meter and construction, the satyr plays were similar to tragedies, but less strict. The plot and dramatic illusion were more carefully sustained than in old comedy. These plays provided comic relief during the intervals between acts in a play. Satyr plays were short, about half the length of a standard tragedy. These plays were generally composed in a trochaic meter. When it comes to the costumes of the actors, the human characters wore tragic costume. That is, they wore ordinary tunics and cloaks. The satyrs wore drawers, usually of fur, equipped with phallus and horse's tail. Silenus, the father figure, had a full-length costume covered with tufts of wool. The only satyr play to survive in its entirety was Euripides' Cyclops. The play was written in 412 or 408 BC. The play Cyclops is based on the principal character from Homer's Odyssey, Odysseus. We also have about half of Sophocles' play, Trachis. There are also some interesting scraps by Aeschylus, who was regarded as the greatest exponent of the form. That's about satyr plays. Here is the assignment for you. Please do complete the work and post it in the WhatsApp group. Thank you so much for paying attention.